Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to remake Drowning by Excision. One of my subscriber wanted me to remake this, so here it is. Let me know in the comment section down below what songs you want me to remake next. Now before starting the video, I just want to address this. A lot of you guys are asking me that how can we get the project file. So finally I decided to create a website where you can easily get all the project files. Just click the link in the description box below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like these. Now let's stop talking and dive straight into the video. And that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you want this project file, just click the link in the description box below. Here is the final result. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like these. I will see you guys next time.